Surprise draft, Telegram top miner and team video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Okay, today I will share with you this update from the Black Dog community. This is from my Gmail. So the Black Dog team sent me an email, Gmail, in my Gmail, the update. So team video plus Black Dog Telegram top miner release. So meaning the Black Dog team, they also establish their or publish their own Telegram top miner. No. So what's a team video and start earning on our Telegram top miner. So as of today, Black Dog already raised 67.4 million. So today is the day we've all been waiting for. We're dropping not one but two massive updates that are taking Black Dog to the next level. Get ready, this is big, So a new way to earn rewards, Telegram top miner is here. We launched our Telegram top miner, a Telegram play to earn game, and your new way to add value to your Black Dog wallet. So tap your way to be the rewards in a fun social rewarding game. So meaning aside from the Black Dog miner, which I already use and I already gain I think 400 BDAG token. So they also released their own Black Dog Telegram top miner. Maybe they want to compete those Telegram tapping bot or tapping game like Hamster Combat or the other already established in the Telegram. Okay, so 1 minute gameplay precision, balls as many balls as possible to earn more rewards. Earn top points, diamond ball 4 points, golden 3, silver 2, emerald 1. Then you can invite your friends, earn 4,000 top points for each friend you join. Get extra rewards for your pre-sale purchase. The more you buy, the more you can earn. So play now. So our best team video yet. Watch now. Catch our inspiring CEO Anthony in our latest video breaking down why Black Dog is the future. We're not just a project, we're a movement. We're fast approaching 1 billion users and 600 million raise in pre-sale. Wow. So you can watch the video. So already 67.3 million raise and climbing. With our pre-sale momentum, we are on fire. Monday's huge brand partnership announcement is going to send Black Dog so we get in now before we launch BDAG to the moon. So if you want to check out their Twitter, so at Black Dog, Telegram Black Dog Network, then YouTube channel Black Dog Network, then the Medium at Black Dog Network 1. Okay, so we try. So I will click this play now and we will send to. So this is the Telegram of the Black Dog. The Black Dog top miner already 12,000 monthly users. Okay, so what we can do in this bot, you can start your mining in Fire in Telegram. This is your chance to earn more while you're having fun. It's super easy to play, but B1 it's quite addictive once you get going. Pop the pulling balls to earn in the points. Okay, you can I dislike tapping. No? Okay, we'll click the start. So welcome to Black Dog Miner and then play the top miner. So I will put the link in my description so that you can also directed to play this Black Dog top miner. Okay, in Telegram. Okay, so play top miner. So to launch this wave app, you will connect to this website. So this is the dashboard in the Black Dog top miner. So top the polling balls during the 1 minute gives you complete a task and friends. Okay, convert into the BDAG coins. So 200 top points is 1 BDAG. Skip. Okay. Diamond 4, golden balls 2, 1. Okay. Let's go. Start. Okay. 351 tops points. Okay. So that was my Telegram game. So the Black Dog top binary. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you and have a nice day to all.